What's going on, guys? Biggest bullish investor here, back with another video. And would you take a look at the portfolio? We finally did it. We finally hit that $100,000 mark in our portfolio. I am so proud of everything that I have went through with this portfolio, as far as our gains, our growth. I've been adding to this portfolio for 4 years now, and it definitely paid off. So let's just take a look at how the portfolio performed. Back on Friday, the portfolio gained $131.21 for a 0.12% growth. And then after hours, it gained $38.93 for a total growth of 0.04%. For the week, we were up $1,512.45 for a 1.39% return. For the month, we're up $1,903.58 for a 1.75% return. For the last 3 months, we're up $10,177.59 for a 10.14% return. For the year, we're up $34,219.14 for a 44.81% return. Last week, for our year, we were up $22,042.64 for a 30.5% return. Our all-time, we're sitting at $31,939.02 for a 40.61% return. We will take a look at our gains and losses. The big winner for this week has been Berkshire Hathaway, as we were talking about how Berkshire had their investor their investor letter, and they stated how much of their shares they brought back. In doing research, it looks like the consensus I got was probably about an intrinsic value of about $170. It looks like a lot of the people that I've been talking to and have been investigating and doing their due diligence, they're saying about $280 to this stock being a $280 to a $300 stock based off of its intrinsic value. We did not do any ads or anything like that for the stock. Last week, we had a gain of $7,025.97 for a 28.57% return. We are now sitting at a $9,511.73 for a 40.04% return. We have also knocked down, so not only have we gained money in this stock, we've also trimmed down the weight in the company, and I'll explain how we did that. Last week, our weight of the company was 32.27%. It now sits at a 30.1% weightage in our portfolio. This is the way that we have the portfolio built is this is our defense. This company, is really a slow mover, and we will use this as the defense for the portfolio. Moving on to our next stock, we have Disney. We have Disney. Last week, Disney was trading at $189.90. It's now moved up to $197.41. They stated that the parks will be open the end of April, as they need time for the parks in California will be open, as they need time to retrain the staff. So they're looking at the end of April, and that's when I expect Disney to continue to rise. They also announced that they have now hit 100 million subscribers, so that is pretty bittersweet that the week that my portfolio hits over $100,000, they also state that they have 100 million paid subscribers in Disney Plus. That's pretty awesome. So the last time we talked, we had a a $9,905.97 return for a 69.7% return. This week we're sitting at $10,859.74 for a 76.42% return. We're also sitting at a portfolio weight of, we were sitting at a 25.28 portfolio weight. Well, that's this week. Last week we had a 25.28% portfolio weight. So this week we're sitting at 22.68. So we have trimmed down the weight in Disney as well and continued the growth. Next is Apple. Apple is trading at $121.07. Last week it was trading at $121.70. We've trimmed down the portfolio weight in Apple as well, sitting at 25.52% weight. And this week we're sitting at a 21.91% portfolio weight. We had a $958.46 return for 4.1% last week. This week we're sitting at $832.46 for a 3.56% return for Apple. I expect Apple to continue to play around in this area, probably until I think the middle of April, as that's when I expect them to release what their dividend increase is going to be, because I know that they stated that they will be increasing their dividend, and I think that that will cut off some of the volatility that Apple is doing. I also want to discuss another issue that I had. This was with Robinhood, as Apple did dip below our average cost, and I would have picked up a few shares had I had the money, and I'll go over the issue that I'm having with Robinhood and a little later. So other than that, that is it for Apple. Next is the reason why the weight in our big holdings have been dropping is Walmart. Last time we talked was last week. We had 14 shares. We've bought 80 shares of Walmart. And we've increased the portfolio weight of Walmart from 1.9% to 11.41%. We are looking to add 6 more shares of Walmart. I'm a little mad that Walmart started to pick up its momentum this week. So it forced me to tip my hand and buy shares of Walmart. I just need to get 6 more shares and we'll hit that 100 share mark. Last week we had a negative return of $85.15 for a negative 4.47% return. Now we're sitting at a $376.73 return for a 3.08% return. We will probably turn off buying at 100 shares of Walmart. If Walmart continues to play around the average cost, we may pick up a few shares. That 100 shares will get us a dividend of $54 every 3 months. I don't know. I might consider adding another 100 shares of Walmart. I'm just not sure. We'll just have to wait and see what we do with Walmart, but we'll be definitely comfortable with 100 shares of this company. Next is Bank of America. Bank of America last week was trading at $34.83. It is now trading at $38. Bank of America had a return of $3,719.89 for a 48.5% return. This week we're sitting at a $4,756.48 return for a 62.02% return. Bank of America held an 11.94% weight for us. It now holds 11.24%. We also will be receiving a dividend of $58.86 towards the end of this month. So that is nice there. It's nothing really much to say about about Bank of America. Also, let me go back to Walmart. I don't know if you guys know, but they're also looking into getting into fintech. I know last week we were talking about the amount of financial stocks that we hold. If you look, we have Bank of America, Berkshire Hathaway, which owns a lot of banks. We have Walmart getting into the fintech space. We have Bank of America, and then we have IPOE, which we have also put a little bit of money in. We have close to $2,000. We have $2,000 invested into the company. It's just that we're currently sitting at a loss. Our average cost is $22. Once we hit that 6 extra shares of Walmart, bring it to 100 shares, we will try and fix the position in IPOE as we continue to do research on the next company that we want to add. I know I was talking last week about Johnson & Johnson. So I might pick at Johnson & Johnson, and then if I add $200 into the portfolio, I might buy a share of Johnson & Johnson and a share of IPOE. I don't know. We'll see how that works. But going into the gripe that I'm having with Robinhood currently, so the markets was selling off last week, and I saw an opportunity in Facebook. Once my portfolio hit $100,000, I was going to employ that strategy I was talking about putting myself on margin. However, I think Robinhood is currently restricting its customer. I don't know if it's just me but they're restricting customers from applying for gold. And I was going to buy Facebook at $256. I was going to buy 100 shares on margin, and Facebook has popped. I definitely think with with everything that's going on in the market with the tech sector, I definitely think Facebook will present another opportunity. However, I really wanted to pick those shares up, and I'm going to reach out to Robinhood to see how I can get their margin turned on, because I really see that as an opportunity for myself to purchase some shares of Facebook. I also was looking at AMD. I was looking at purchases some shares of AMD. I would have put $8,500 of margin on AMD, as I definitely see this as a nice opportunity. However, I just really need to get that margin set up. If anybody knows what's going on with Robinhood, why they're restricting people, from adding margin, just please let me know in the comment section. Other than that, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. I won't hold you guys. I hope I didn't hold you guys too long. I just really wanted to show off the portfolio. We've really hit that $100,000, and I couldn't be more happy. If you guys have any additional questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave me a message in the comment section. Other than that, you guys have a great day.